Hello and welcome to this year's complete product line overview. I'm Mike Tole with Cardo, and in this video we're going to highlight the many things that are new as of this year, but also take a deeper look into the three different product lines in front of me: the Spirit line, the FREECOM X line, and the PACKTALK line. But before we do, let's cover some blanket facts that apply to all Cardos. Every unit we make comes with toolless installation. We've said goodbye to the Allen wrench approach in favor of a clean, flush mount that stays above the helmet line, is super easy to install, and takes up minimal space. Every Cardo is going to be 100% waterproof, which means if you find yourself in crazy weather, either by choice or by accident, your Cardo is going to hold up. Every Cardo has access to the Cardo Connect App. Now this app is amazing. There's one app that applies to all products on the table. It allows for full configuration of the unit. It acts as a full-fledged remote control of the unit. We're talking even the entry-level one. Is user-friendly and is available on iOS and Android alike. All of these come with a standardized 3.5mm plug for the speaker plug-in. And the speakers that come with these, they're phenomenal. But what that allows is, if you wanted to use your own earbuds or custom in-ear molds or find your own helmet speaker that you prefer, go for it. You can use literally any of those with these systems. Every Cardo unit has the universal connectivity, meaning you can pair your headset with that of any other brand for intercom. They can all utilize self-adjusting volume, meaning that the system will automatically raise and lower the volume of the headset for you based on your ambient noise. Each of them can be used while taking a charge and have at least a 2-year warranty. Now, if I take the two veterans off the table for a second, these products left over, the ones that have just been released, just came out for this year, really bring things to another level. For starters, each of them is powered by the latest Bluetooth chip 5.2, the most advanced on the market. All of these support truly over-the-air software updates, all done via the Cardo Connect app we talked about a second ago, and without the need for a cable or a dongle or a docking station. We've adopted USB Type-C for all of the 5 units you see here, and all of them support fast charging, which is basically 20 minutes of juice yields 2 hours of additional riding time. So the big question, what makes them different from each other? What we'll do is we'll break it down between our Bluetooth headsets and our DMC mesh headsets, and we'll go from there. Let me get the table switched around. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are our Bluetooth-based intercom systems, and the way to navigate through them is this, starting with the Spirit line. Spirit represents a rare combination of incredible capability and not a lot of sting on the wallet. What I mean by that is the things we just talked about a second ago. Bluetooth 5.2, over-the-air firmware updates, rapid charging, a lot waterproof. A lot of these things that you only ever find in the mid-level, the high level, you're finding in the Spirit line, and Spirit line is that entry level. So if you're looking for the absolute most for the absolute least, you gotta put Spirit on your consideration plate. Spirit HD, the difference between the two, out of the gate, HD, you're gonna find the inclusion of an FM radio and bigger speakers. So this has 40mm HD speakers, whereas the Spirit comes with 32mm speakers. You also have a range difference. 400 meters on the Spirit bike-to-bike unit, 600 meters on the Spirit HD bike-to-bike. With HD, you also find wideband intercom, which means just a higher quality intercom relationship. Lastly, 10-hour battery life, 13-hour battery life on the Spirit HD. That's how you find your way through those two units. If you're looking for more, if you're looking for bigger range, if you're looking for bigger sound, or just that next level experience, that's when we start talking about the FREECOM X line. When moving to the FREECOM X line, there's a few attributes you pick up immediately. First is the design, the ergonomics. There's a little roller wheel on the bottom that makes life very easy for changing volume and a few other operations, but also the inclusion of sound by JBL. Both of these models come with the 40mm JBL HD speakers, 3 distinct sound profiles, and offer a considerable bump in music quality, music sound experience over the Spirit line. Additionally, the FREECOM X line introduces live intercom. Now this is an all-new Bluetooth intercom connection with exceptional audio quality and a very unique reconnect capability, meaning when rider intercom disruptions happen, which they do, the system will automatically get to work in healing that automatically without the need to touch a bunch of buttons. Now, your core difference between a 2X and a 4X is its intercom capability. The 2X is designed for up to 2 people, bike-to-bike or rider-passenger, doesn't matter, at 800-meter bike-to-bike range. Whereas the 4X can handle up to 4 riders, whether that's 4 different bikes or 2 up and 2 up, whatever the arrangement is, at a 1.2 kilometer range between unit and unit. So as an intercom, up to 2 people max, up to 4 people max. Of course, both include the waterproof, the universal connectivity, the Cardo Connect app, all the stuff we talked about earlier. One last thing on the FREECOM 4X is the inclusion of natural voice. 4X has natural voice operation, 2X does not. That feature alone opens up a whole world of hands-free operation, one in which you're not really touching the unit at all at that point. You just say, "Hey Cardo" in the command, and it performs that function. For example, "Hey Cardo, music on," or "Hey Cardo, mute audio," or "Hey Cardo, volume down." Very, very capable feature. Okay, that's how to navigate through the Bluetooth intercoms. Let me get the booth switched over, and we'll continue from there. Now that brings us to our premium products, the PACKTALK line. Now, all PACKTALKs come with Cardo's DMC, Dynamic Mesh Communication. Cardo is the company that first conceived, built, and released the world's first mesh headset back in 2015, and has been refining it and improving it ever since then. When it comes to crystal clear, always-on, flexible networking of reliable, stable intercom connections, DMC is still very much so in a league of its own. But fight the urge to reserve it for only large groups. There are benefits, even with 2 or 3 riders involved, that are inherent of DMC that outperform really the nature of any Bluetooth headset, Cardo's included. Those who are familiar with Cardo likely recognize a few familiar faces on the table, PACKTALK Bold being the one that has led the mesh charge since 2015, and then PACKTALK Slim, which shares the exact same feature set as Bold, but packaged in a 6.5mm thin unit, which basically becomes part of your helmet. We call it semi-integration. These 2 units have played a revolutionary role in the communication landscape, and to be able to build upon that and create something like PACKTALK Edge has resulted in something that's truly remarkable. Physically, PACKTALK Edge is an all-new design with an internal antenna instead of the pop-up, and features an all-new magnetic air mount. Once you put the unit close to the helmet, the cradle grabs it and is not letting go. PACKTALK Edge is our first unit to come with the 2nd generation of dynamic mesh communication. Pairing has never been so simple, pairing has never been so fast. In addition, you'll notice an even higher quality when it comes to voice intercom transmission. The unit comes equipped with a redesigned sound by JBL. It's better, stronger, and louder, and includes 3 new sound profiles. The natural voice operation has been improved by adding a completely new voice reception technology and an improved noise-canceling microphone. Just say "Hey Cardo" and the command and let it take it from there. The Edge comes stock with our 3-year warranty and, of course, comes packed with all the features that we mentioned at the very beginning of this video. To put it very simply, if you're looking for the best intercom that exists, it's that one right there. Okay, that's it. Now, you can always check out the full tutorial videos in which we take a much deeper dive into each and every one of these, or seek out the product pages on our website for more information. Thanks for watching. See you next time.